Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to simply protect your Instagram account from hacker by turning on this particular setting right now. So let's see. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Instagram app. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to account center. Then under the account center, simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to password and security. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on login alerts. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you select your Instagram handle. And it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to make sure you check this and make sure you connect your Instagram with email address. It's as simple as that. So each time anybody wants to try to hack your Instagram account, Instagram is going to send you a notification mail. What you need to do is to just decline the access to your Instagram account if you are not the one. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.